Ozzy, what you up to today? Huh? What you up to, Oz? Where's my doggy? Oh, Cinnamon. Good girl, Cinnamon. Oh, 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 oh. Hi, Cinnamon. Oh yeah, you're my whippet. Nutmeg. Hi, Nutmeg. Oh, it's a good girl, Nutmeg. She's minus an ear. That's okay. We love her anyway. Ozzy. Let me turn your collar around. Oh, she's a good girl. Good boy. Good boy, Ozzy. Oh, it's a good boy. Does that feel good, Oz? Does that feel good? Yes, it does. Oh, Cinnamon. Change her name to Me Too. Oh, Cinnamon, Me Too. So what you doing, Oz? What you doing? You enjoying your day in the backyard? Nutmeg. Nutmeg. Oh, Nutmeg. Cinnamon and Nutmeg. That's Nutmeg. She's my little scrappy doodle. A little ragamuffin that we had to piece back together after she got torn apart by some neighbor dogs. Now she's mostly intact. Missing an ear. That's okay. That's Cinnamon. She's not been fixed, so she still comes and goes into heat. She looks like a whippet. I have no idea. And this is my, what is it, silver-nosed, purebred pit bull, Ozzy. Was a good boy. Yes, he defended our yard by trying to tear up the neighbor dogs. He almost killed one of them. He's such a good boy. Yeah, he doesn't jump, so the other dogs jumped over the fence. He took it upon himself to turn our chain link pipe fence, oops, sorry, into from a rectangle into a W. He grabbed the bottom bar and pulled up real hard and made a space for himself to get underneath it. And caught up with the dogs in the front yard. Had one pinned by the neck. He was well on his way to ripping the dog's head off when my housemate Matthew went outside and said, Ozzy, let him go. So Ozzy let him go. And he came trotting back like a happy hippo that he is. Who's a good boy, Ozzy? And he's just smiling, because look, he's always smiling. And he was just, happy as can be. He had a couple of wounds. He had I think you'd probably see the scar here. He had a wound on his posterior here. There's one there too. Yeah, this one abscessed. Took a while to heal, and this one also took a while to heal. But he was a good boy. Like a little cleft in his head. Ozzy, let me see Mean Dog. Let me see Mean Dog. That's a good boy. Oh, but he no, he let the neighbor dog go. Who then promptly went right back to his own yard, where he hid in his doghouse for 2 weeks, recovering. We all thought he was going to die, but he didn't. That's the neighbor dog, by the way. My dog was a little tired from the battle and spent a few days sleeping on the couch, and that was about it. Look at this. Isn't she pretty? Isn't she pretty? She's so pretty. She's like, don't film me, don't film me. I don't have my face on. Oh, hi there. Uh-oh, there's my Romanian girl. Looks like she's starting to molt a bit. Brr, brr, brr. Hi there. Hi, hello. How about you? You got something to say? No? Oh, there's my other Romanian girl. She's also starting to molt a little bit. And I got a black one around here somewhere, black feathers. Now this one, she is looking good. She was baldicated for the summer. I think they had a mite problem. So I dusted them and sprayed them and gave them some really awesome vitamins. Next thing you know, she has all her feathers back. She looks beautiful. Yep. I had one. Oh look, there's my peepers. I had her hand tamed for the longest time. Now she's just another hen. Say hi, peepers. Oh, look at that fat hen. Oh my goodness, she looks like a fat hen. See, they think I have treats for them. That's why they're coming up. Buck, buck, buck. And there's this big guy. Look at this big guy. Oh. Those spurs are at least 4 inches long. It's hard to tell on a video, but yeah, he stands about 1.5 feet tall, maybe a little bit taller. And those spurs are about 4 inches. 4 inches long. Now I've got a couple of fighting roosters. 2 of them, their left eye is milked over. There's one there. His right eye is intact, but his left eye is milked over. And there's another one very similar. With the same problem actually. One eye is intact while the other eye is milked over. See if he turns his head. Now I do understand that that's a common symptom among fighting roosters. I never catch them actually fighting, so it is what it is. He's a handsome fellow, though. No, it's the enclosure's open. They used to be closed, but I convinced all the parties involved that they needed to be loose and running. Crazy spurs, the little wear tips. Those are some long, like 4.5 inch spurs. And they all seem to have that little bit of armored meat right on their head right there. It's kind of weird. Well, again, one of my Romanian girls. Oh, there's this black one. There's my black Romanian girl. She has kind of an iridescent sheen to her. She's very pretty. Even though she looks like a vulture. Yeah. Oh, hi there. Hello. How are you? Yeah, look at the girl. Yeah, they all think I have treats for her. See, this one molted real heavily. Now she's growing all her pin feathers back. I just had a hen land on my shoulder and then jump off, and that's her. She landed straight on my shoulder and jumped right off. It's like, give us food. I think she's telling me to feed him. I know I fed him earlier. Oh, there's a nice feather. Excuse me, girl. Oh, there's a nice one. Yeah. They're pecking at my legs. It's a nice one. Yeah, it's probably from her, actually. All right, well, I'm going to feed my girls. No, back off, back off. No, stay in the yard. And there's my puppies. Oh, down we go. Oh, hello. Oh, hi there. Hi. Oh, hi Ozzy. Hi Ozzy. Alright, so this is Kristoph from Dusty Trails signing off. Don't forget to check out our merch, which should be somewhere right here. And yeah, see you all later.